mushroom and traces on the ground, they found that Eve was in danger, so they opened the detector to find her location. Everyone followed the positioning and came to the cliff's edge, but how to repair this suspension bridge? So what problems do we want to help our friends solve? So are you ready? Okay. So over here is find the pattern and fill in the blank. So what did you notice, Kevin? Alright, there are two missing numbers. So what are we going to answer? Okay, so listen carefully to teacher, okay? Alright. So in order to find the answer, we first gonna find how much they added in the previous number. So let's begin in the second number. So what is the second number? Very good. It's number 12. I'll give you a good job. Okay. So over here, in order to know how much the add number is, we are going to subtract it by the first number, which is 5. So 5 subtracted by 12 will be, very good, 7. So next is 19 minus 26 will be, very good, 7. So did you notice anything? Right, they add 7 in each number, right? Alright, so 33 will be adding 7. Okay, so 33 plus 7 is, very good, it is 40. Alright, good job. So, how about 40 I mean, 40 plus 7. What do you think the answer? Alright, 47. With that, I'll give you a cupcake. Do you like cupcake? No. Oh, I have fruits here, so maybe I'll give you a orange. Alright, so. Yay! Oh, sorry. So what are you going to do next? Bai took out a bottle of liquefying potion from the treasure bag. Chip a drop and the board instantly enlarged. They boarded the plank and crossed the bridge. Simple as that. They followed the positioning and came to a desert place. They searched around, they didn't find Yi. Tan angrily hammers the wall and accidentally touches a button. In an instant, a wall appeared from the ground and surrounded them. What are going to happen? Attentive Bai found some question on the wall. Does that anything have to do with finding Yi? What do you think? Over here, there's another problem to solve. So what are we going to do? Listen to the teacher, okay? Okay. So over here is a lot of bricks. So we need to fill all. So what shape is this? This over here. Very good. It is rectangular shape. Rectangle shape. Okay. So we need to fill this rectangle in order to find the answer. So over here in the equation above, how many bricks are there? So as you can see in the rectangle, in the first row, how many bricks are there? Very good. There are 3 bricks in the first row. So this is the example over here. So the first row contains 3 bricks. All right. So in the second row are very good. There are 6 bricks. So how about in the third row? All right, 99. In the fourth row, having 12. 5 in the fifth row will be 15. 6th row will be 18. 7 will be 21, and 8 will be 24. Since they're already been given. All right. So what are we going to do in order to know how much we need to fill in these bricks? So it is just simple. We are going to reverse it. Okay. So how do we do it? So let's say 3 is the head. And 24 will be the tail. Alright? Are you still there, Kevin? Okay, very good. So, we need to reverse it. So, 24. So, the first row will be having 24. Alright? Okay. So, is it correct? So, let's try to find it. Let's try to answer or to count it. So, over here has 3 bricks. So, we need to fill 24. So, let's count in the blank first. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Sorry. Alright, here. Let's count the pink bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there are 24. So we need to fill 24 bricks, okay, in the first row. So if we count all of them, okay, let's count again, sorry. Since we counted over here, so we're just going to count the blue bricks. So 24, the last number. 25, 26, 27, 27. So in order to fill this first row, okay, we need to add 24. So how many blocks are there now in first row? Alright, very good. Great job. Okay, it is 27 bricks. So, since we have the answer now, let's click if it's correct. Very good. So, how about in row 2? Very good. There will be 21. Alright, let's try to fill this. Oh my god. So, how about in 3? In third row, we need to fill up. Very good. 18. Okay. How about in the fourth row? Alright, good job. It will be 15. In the fifth row. Alright, very good. It will be 12. And the sixth row will be 9. Very good. And the seventh will be, okay, you're doing great. It will be 6. So the last one will be, alright, very good, 8. So we now fill the rectangle shape. Well done, but we're not finished yet. So we still need to find the sum, alright? Okay. So what are we going to do? Listen carefully, alright? So if we add, the formula will be head plus tails multiplied by the numbers and divided by 2. Alright, so I'll give you an example. So what is the head? Alright, very good. It will be number, okay, 3. What is the tail? Alright, very good. It will be 24. Okay, we'll try to separate it. So how many rows are there? Okay, let's count it together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8. So we are going to, alright, very good, multiply by 8. So you were so smart. So it is 216. So 216 divided by 2 will be very good. So the answer and the sum of this equation will be 108. Alright. You are so smart. So let's try if it's right. No, we're still not done yet. Okay. Alright. So over here is an example. This is the example or the summary. Okay, so let's try to recall it. So since if it how many groups are in one row? Very good, 27. So over here, let's begin at the first one. So 3 plus 24 will be 27. 6 plus 21 will be 27. All of them are the sum of 27. Okay, so so this will be our formula. All right, over here. Head plus tail, multiply the numbers of groups. So how many numbers of group are there? Very good, 8. And divided by 2. All right, very good with that. I'll give you more rewards. All right, good job. So, what formula is this again? So what are we going to do? First, we need to count how many groups or numbers are there. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 groups in this balloon. So what are we going to do? Very good. We are going to add the head and the tail. Okay, what is the head? Alright, very good. It will be 4. Okay, sorry. Let's do it. 4. And how about the tail? Alright, very good. 27. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Multiplied by 10 and alright, divided by 2. So the answer will be, alright, very good. The answer will be 355. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So your word for today is, do you like cars? Oh, I'll give you a toy car. Oh, okay. So, another problem. So what are we going to do? Alright, very good. So we need, where's the head? Alright, very good. 2. Where's the tail? What is the tail? Alright, very good. 23. Alright, I get it right. Why? So, we need to multiply. So how many rows or group are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8. So what are we going to do next? Alright, very good. We're going to divide it by 2. So let's try to solve it together, alright? So 2 plus 23. Very good. 25. Multiplied by the numbers of by the rows. Alright. Very good. 200. So divided by 2 will be. Alright. So, we still need to fill this bricks. So 2. We are going to reverse it, right? I'm so excited, sorry. We're going to reverse it. So how many bricks are we going to add in the first row? Very good. 23. Okay, 23. In the second row will be 20. The third row will be 17, and the fourth row will be 14, and the fifth row will be 11, and the sixth row will be 8, and the seventh row will be 5, and the last will be very good 2. Okay, so now let's alright. So the answer, we already know the answer, right? So 2 plus 23 is 25, multiplied by 8 will be 200, and divided by 2 will be, alright, very good. There will be 200 total bricks inside this rectangular shape. 200. Alright, you is so smart. I'll give you a good job. Okay. Over here, another problem. Oh no, there's a lot of problem. So what are we going to do is, where's the head? Okay, very good. So head plus tails. Multiply by the group and divided by 2. So what is the head? Very good, 5. How about the tails? Alright, very good. Tails will be, the tails is not 135. Okay, why? So, did you notice how many numbers they added? Let's start first here in 5. Yes, 3. So they added 8 plus 3 will be 11. So they added 3. All of them added 3, right? Okay. So, what are we going to do will be, over here, okay, this will be our tails, alright? So, we're going to add this later on. So, our tail will be 32. It will not be 135 because it is too much. They added too much. Maybe it has another purpose. So, I will explain it later. So, 5 plus 32 will be, alright, very good. It will be 37. Alright, 37. Is it correct? Oh, of course it's correct. So, the answer of this, so what's the next? Alright, we're going to multiply. So, 37 multiplied by 10 will be, very good, 370. And 370, we're going to divide it. Very good. So what will be the answer? 370 divided by, okay. Very good, 185. So what are we going to do next is, the 135, we're going to use it now. So we are going to add it. Okay, so 185 plus 135. So the answer will be 320. Alright, very good. So with that, I will give you a oranges. You have so many snacks today. Okay, next. About this. What are we going to do? Don't worry. So did you notice? Let's start here at the right side, which is the number 4. Have you noticed anything? No? Okay, so they all multiply by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And 9 times 4 will be 36. 10 times 4 will be 40. 11 times 4 will be 44. 12 times 4 is 48. 13 times 4 is 4. And 14 times 4 is 56. They all multiplied by 4. So, what you're going to do is, alright, so over here, find the numbers first. So first we're going to add, okay? We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 numbers total, alright? So since there are 9 numbers, what we're going to do? We are going to count the numbers first here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 numbers and plus 9 in order to get the missing number. So the answer will be 14. So what are we going to do next? So there are total numbers, there are 14 total numbers are added. So our formula we're going to use will be 56. We're going to add the head and the tail, alright? So 56, what is the head and the tails? Very good. Plus 4 times 14, right, very good. 14 and divided by 20, divided by 2, the answer will be, so let's try to answer. So 56 plus 4 is 60, very good. Multiplied, so let's try to multiply. 60 multiplied by 40, right? Alright, so the answer would be 840. So we need to divide it by 2, and the answer is 420. Very good. So the answer will be 420. Alright, very good. Yay! Oh no. What happened at this point? I took out the magic pen from the treasure bag and waved at the wall. The walls actually moved. After the wall appears, a mysterious door appeared. Ye must be here. Ye was there as expected, poor Ye. At this point, Tan discovered that there are also some mysterious number on the light wave. How are these numbers related to saving Yi? Oh, another dragon fill in the blank. So we need to calculate the following result. So what are we going to do? So look closely. So we need to find out what characteristic of the calculation are. So first is we need to make an equation. So 1 plus 7, so 1 which is ahead, plus, right, very good, 17. Multiplied by the number. So how many numbers are there? Alright, very good. So 9. Very good. Divided by 2, and we will be having 81. So there are different way to know the answer as well. So over here, what did you notice here? Alright, there are 9 numbers. So where is the middle number? Alright, 9. 9, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 9. So we are going to add the middle number into the last number, which is 17. So what is the answer? Very good. It will be 26. So, but how many pieces are this time? So there are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, I was wrong. Sorry. So 9 times, very good, 9. So, since we multiplied it, okay, let's try to find. Alright, so what is the number 9? Very good, the middle number and the total number of there, the pieces of row. So 9 times 9 will be 81. So simple. So the answer is 81. Okay. 81. Alright. Next. Okay, here's the summary, which is over here, as you notice, as what I said earlier, we are going to reverse it. Okay, so look, if we put 17 over here, alright, 17, there's no reverse, 1 plus 17 is 18. 18, 3 plus 15 over 18, they all sum of 18. Okay, so the middle number doesn't have a pair. So, intermediate number adds the number of the groups of the numbers. Alright, okay. Alright, so let's do it again. So, what is the middle number? Alright, very good. 7. So how many groups are there? How many numbers are there? Let's count it together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are, alright, very good. There are 9. So multiply. So what is the number? 7 times 9 will be? Very good. 63. So let me ask you something. What is 7? Alright, the middle number. So how about the 9? Okay, the total, the numbers. Alright, the numbers or the numbers of rows. Alright. Oh, there's still another. We're going to solve it, okay? Alright. So over here, where's the head? Okay, very good. 1. The tails? Okay, 21. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, there are 14 numbers. So we're going to multiply by 14. So the answer 1 plus 21 will be 22. So 22 divided by, alright, very good. 20, it's not divide, it's multiply, sorry. 22 multiplied by 14 is, okay, very good, 308. So 308 divided by 2 will be, very good. So the answer will be 154. Oh, I'm so exhausted. So you deserve a 3 snacks. Okay, do you like chocolate or cupcake? No? Okay. Sorry, 4 and well done. Alright. Okay. Oh, there's still another one. So let's try to calculate it. So did you notice anything? Okay, so we need to find the 50th number in this. 50th number happens to be the intermediate number. So 50 is the middle number. Okay, so let's start with 49. 50 is the middle number, right? And 49. Okay, so 50 and 51. Alright? So actually there's 100 groups. So 50 subtract 1 groups of 50. So our formula will be 1 plus 99 and the number of group, which is 99. So divided by 2. So it is simple. Okay? So the middle will be very good, 15. Right? So we are going to multiply we're going to add the head and the tail. Alright? Okay. If you add the head and the tail, we'll be having 100. So how many groups are there? Very good. Very good. Good job. We'll be having 99. So multiply by 99 and divided by 2, right? Okay, very good. So 100 multiplied by 99 will be, what do you think the answer? 100 multiplied by 99. Very good. It will be 9,900. So if you divide it by 2, we'll be having, very good. So it is a very hard calculation. No, it's not hard, right? It's so easy if you learn it. 4,950. So with that, what will I give you this time? How about the 3 rewards? You did good job. So next. Yay! We finally free him! Yay! Well done, Kevin! So he tells everyone that she was captured by the black wind monster and will never travel alone again. Do not travel alone, okay? Because there are a lot of monsters outside. You need to go with your mommy or daddy or grandma or grandpa. Okay, we are done! Oh, there's still another. Oh, we're going to answer it again. So over here, did you notice anything? Okay, where is the middle number? Alright, 49, 40. So what are we going to do is to, alright, so this, we're going, so we will not be confused, we're going to separate it. So what is the head over this left? Right, 1 plus, very good, 39. So what will the answer? Very good, 40. So how many groups are there, or numbers? Very good. So 40 times 39 and divided by 2, we'll be having 780, alright? Okay, you still there? Very good. So in right side, it still have the same numbers because they only decrease when the other was added. So we're just going to add 780. If we add them both, we'll be having, what do you think? 780 plus 780 will be, very good, 1,560. So if we divide it by, do we need to divide or not? Okay, not. If we add it, what is the middle number? Alright, 40. Very good. We already divided later, diba? We already divided in previous, right? Okay. If 1,560, if we are going to add the 40 now, okay? So 1,560 plus 40 will be, alright, the answer will be 1,600. Very good. You are so smart. And that, I give you a good job. Okay. So, next. Ooh, what are we going to do? So, sum 7 equals difference 63. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So the solution is solved using formula for summing odd equal difference. So intermediate number, the number of number 63. So what do you think if we divide 63? What is the middle number between 63 and 7? Very good. It is 9. So we are going to write 9 over here. So 7 equals 63. So we are going to write it like that. Decreasing and add 11 and 12. Alright, so the answer will be this. Simple. Okay, next. Oh, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. What do you think the middle number of 99? Very good. So the solution is solved using the formula for summing odd equal difference. The intermediate number x, the number of the number 63. So intermediate number of 9. So intermediate number will be number equals 99 divided by 9. So our answer will be 11. So over here, the middle will be, yes, 11. So this will be 9, 7, 5, 3, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Alright. So over here is a summary. Right. So in order to fill in this rectangle, what are we going to do? Alright, very good. To reverse it. Okay, so 3. So since the 3 plus the 3's tail will be 24, you're going to add 24. The 6 will be 21, and so on, so on. If we add 3 plus 24, okay, 3, which is, this is the head, and this is the tail, and multiply by 8, which is the number of the rows, divided by 2 will be 108. So did you understand? Alright. So right here, where is the middle number? Okay, number 9 doesn't have a pair. Alright, so 9 multiplied by how many numbers are there? Very good, 9, and it will be 81. So we are done. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, it's the end. Thank you for listening. We'll see you again. We'll see you again together, okay? Okay, bye-bye.